We will again, before the year is over, run another 160 vetting processes again.
Commissioner of Police VERNE has prioritized strengthening the traffic unit of the Royal St. Lucia Police Force, following heightened scrutiny over a troubling increase in road collisions and fatalities in 2024. GARDE stated that the Rslpf is enhancing its human resource capacity to bolster the unit's effectiveness.
By the 17th of this month, the month of December, we will put human resources into the traffic department, where we will allow another 45 persons coming out of the training to be placed in the traffic unit. On top of that, we will train 45 riders, outriders on the motorcycles. And 15 out of these 45 riders will be placed on top of that number at the traffic unit.
The surge in vehicle collisions has led one insurance company to halt new vehicle underwriting. Others have raised premiums, and the crashes have also prompted persistent appeals from first responders for drivers to follow road safety guidelines. In response, the Rslpf is stepping up its efforts to make road safety a top priority.
And on top of that, we will hire another 22 special police constables. And again, we will augment them at the traffic unit, because we will take a proactive approach to deal with crime and road safety. To afford better management of the traffic area, we'll also rebrand the traffic unit. From the 1st of January 2025, the traffic will cease to be a unit, and it will be what we call a department. We have decided that we will have the traffic unit rebranded as the Department of Road Safety and Traffic Investigations.
GARDE is optimistic that this renewed effort to ensure safer roads will complement the broader national security campaign aimed at curbing crime, violence, and reckless driving behaviors.
And all of that is part of the plan to deal with road safety and crime in 2025. I want to say to the general public, as I have the opportunity with the media, that 2025 is a different year for crime and road safety. And persons who are in conflict with the law, they have to watch out. 2025 is a different year for road safety and crime management.
With an energized focus on accountability and safety, the Rslpf says it remains committed to fostering a more secure and responsible environment for all citizens. Lucia, HTS News Force.